Today, I want to share with you 7 powerful keys that will help you develop a positive personality. Why is this important? Because a positive personality will have a more significant impact on your success, happiness, and well-being than almost any other factor in life. The way you think and feel shapes not only your attitude, but also how you interact with the world and the results you get. Well, let's start with something simple yet profound: your physical diet. We all know that the food we consume has a direct impact on our physical health, energy levels, and overall well-being. When you eat fresh, nutritious, high-quality foods and avoid unhealthy ones, you feel more energetic, resistant to diseases, and better rested. But there's more. You also feel happier. Now think about this. If your physical diet can affect your body so profoundly, doesn't it make sense that your mental diet, the ideas and information you consume, would have a similar impact on your mind, character, and personality? 1. Positive mental diet. Your mental diet determines almost everything about your life. When you feed your mind with positive ideas, inspiring books, uplifting conversations, and empowering audio programs, you nurture a constructive mindset. This leads to a positive and influential personality. You become someone who exudes confidence, optimism, and self-belief, qualities. To understand the power of a mental diet, consider this. People in the tech industry often use the term G.I. Joe, garbage in, garbage out. This principle means that the quality of the output depends entirely on the quality of the input. If you feed your mind with negativity, fear, or doubts, you'll experience negative emotions and unproductive behaviors. Conversely, by deliberately choosing to fill your mind with positive, empowering thoughts, you can reshape your reality. Think of your mind as a fertile garden. If you neglect it, weeds will grow automatically. On the other hand, if you plant positive seeds and nourish them, you'll cultivate a beautiful garden of optimism and success. Start by feeding your mind with positive mental protein, such as personal development books, inspiring podcasts, and enriching conversations, instead of mental junk food like gossip or sensationalist news. 2. Positive self-talk. The second key to a positive personality is mastering your self-talk. Self-talk refers to the continuous internal dialogue you have with yourself throughout the day. According to psychologists, about 95% of your emotions are influenced by how you talk to yourself. Positive self-talk can dramatically improve your mood, boost your confidence, and increase your overall sense of well-being. One of the most effective ways to practice positive self-talk is by using affirmations. Simple positive statements phrased in the present tense. Examples include, I like myself, I am capable of achieving my goals, and I feel fantastic. Repeating these affirmations regularly helps to replace negative thought patterns with empowering ones. Negative self-talk, such as I can't do this or I'm not good enough, can erode your confidence over time. Just as a neglected garden becomes overgrown with weeds, a mind left unchecked will be overrun by doubts and fears. By consciously cultivating positive self-talk, you can reprogram your subconscious mind and develop a more positive personality. 3. Positive visualization. The third key is harnessing the power of visualization. Visualization involves creating clear, vivid mental images of your desired outcomes. The brain cannot distinguish between a vividly imagined experience and a real one, which means that when you visualize success repeatedly, your mind begins to believe it's already happening. Athletes use this technique extensively. Before a big game or competition, they visualize themselves performing perfectly, scoring points, making precise moves, and ultimately winning. This mental rehearsal conditions their mind and body to perform at their best. To practice positive visualization, set aside a few minutes each day to close your eyes and imagine yourself achieving your goals. See yourself in vivid detail, feeling confident, joyful, and accomplished. The clearer and more emotionally charged your mental images, the stronger the impact on your subconscious mind. Remember, positive visualization doesn't just improve your mood, it also activates the law of attraction, drawing favorable opportunities and circumstances into your life. By visualizing your desired future, you program your mind to work toward it consistently, even when you're not consciously thinking about it. Or positive people. The fourth key to a positive personality is the influence of your social environment. The people you associate with have a profound impact on your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. As motivational speaker Jim Rohn famously said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." Surround yourself with individuals who uplift, inspire, and encourage you. Positive people radiate energy and enthusiasm, making it easier for you to maintain a positive mindset. They provide constructive feedback, share valuable insights, and motivate you to reach your full potential. On the other hand, negative people can drain your energy, fill your mind with doubts, and hinder your personal growth. These energy vampires often focus on problems rather than solutions, spreading negativity wherever they go. While it may not always be possible to completely avoid such individuals, you can limit your interactions with them and protect your mental well-being. Make a conscious effort to build a supportive social circle. Join groups, clubs, or organizations where positive, like-minded individuals gather. By doing so, you'll create an environment that fosters growth, learning, and positivity. Additionally, be mindful of the media you consume. Social media, news outlets, and entertainment can significantly influence your mood and mindset. Follow accounts that inspire and educate you, and avoid content that breeds negativity or fear. By surrounding yourself with positive influence, both people and media, you'll create a fertile, positive mental food. Just like a balanced and nutritious diet is essential for your body's health, feeding your mind with the right mental food is crucial for maintaining a positive outlook. Mental food includes the thoughts, ideas, and information you consume daily through various sources such as books, podcasts, conversations, and media. To cultivate a positive mindset, you need to carefully choose what you allow into your mind. For example, reading biographies of successful individuals can inspire you to overcome challenges. Engaging with motivational content, whether through podcasts or online courses, can reinforce the belief that progress is always possible. Avoid mental junk food such as gossip, negative news, or toxic social media content. These are the equivalent of consuming unhealthy snacks. They provide no real nourishment and can even harm your mental health. Instead, focus on high-quality inputs that uplift you. A simple practice is to spend at least 15-30 minutes each day reading something educational or inspirational. This small habit can compound over time, leading to profound personal growth. Moreover, every time you learn something new, your brain releases endorphins, natural chemicals that make you feel good. Thus, the process of feeding your mind with positive mental food not only improves your knowledge, but also boosts your mood and mental resilience. 6. Positive training and development. Continuous learning is a game changer. The concept of positive training and development means dedicating yourself to lifelong learning. In a world that's constantly changing, those who commit to improving themselves consistently are the ones who thrive. Personal development doesn't necessarily require formal education. It can involve attending workshops, reading extensively, or even watching free educational videos online. The key is to develop a mindset of constant curiosity and growth. Ask yourself daily, what can I learn today that will make me better tomorrow? One powerful way to enhance your skills is to seek mentorship from those who are more experienced in your field. Surrounding yourself with people who have already achieved what you aspire to can provide you with insights and shortcuts to success. Remember Jim Rohn's quote, "Formal education will make you a living, self-education will make you a fortune." Whether you want to climb the corporate ladder, build your own business, or simply lead a more fulfilling life, continuous training and personal development are essential. It's through learning that you gain confidence, competence, and the ability to tackle life's challenges. 7. Positive health habits. Physical health and mental well-being are deeply interconnected. Positive health habits not only improve your body, but also strengthen your mind. making it easier to maintain a positive attitude. Start by focusing on your diet. Aim to consume more whole foods, vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. These provide the necessary nutrients your body needs to function optimally. Avoid excessive sugar, processed foods, and unhealthy fats, as they can sap your energy and negatively affect your mood. Exercise is another critical component. Regular physical activity, such as walking, jogging, or yoga, helps release endorphins, reduces stress, and boosts your overall energy levels. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Even simple activities like a brisk walk during lunch breaks can have a significant impact on your mood and productivity. Rest and relaxation are just as important as diet and exercise. In today's fast-paced world, many people underestimate the value of sleep. However, lack of proper rest can lead to fatigue, irritability, and a weakened immune system. Make it a habit to get 7-8 hours of quality sleep each night and take short breaks throughout your day to recharge. Finally, consider incorporating mindfulness or meditation into your routine. These practices help reduce stress and improve focus, allowing you to approach life with greater calm and clarity. When your body feels good, your mind follows, and maintaining a positive personality becomes much easier. 8. Positive expectations. The final key, and perhaps the most powerful, is cultivating positive expectations. This means expecting good things to happen in your life, regardless of your current circumstances. When you approach situations with a positive outlook, you naturally influence the outcome in your favor. Positive expectations work like a self-fulfilling prophecy. If you go into a job interview expecting to do well, you're likely to exude confidence and perform better. On the other hand, if you expect failure, that negative mindset can undermine your performance. To develop positive expectations, practice visualization daily. See yourself achieving your goals and imagine the emotions you'll feel when you succeed. Over time, this will program your mind to expect good outcomes automatically. Another technique is to use positive language. Instead of saying, "I hope this works out," say, "I expect this to work out." This subtle shift in language can have a profound impact on your mindset and the way you approach challenges. Surround yourself with people who reinforce your positive expectations. Avoid naysayers who doubt your abilities or predict failure. Instead, seek out those who encourage you to dream big and believe in your potential. Finally, be patient. Positive expectations don't mean everything will happen immediately or without effort. They mean believing that with persistence, things will eventually work out in your favor. Adopt the mindset that every setback is a learning opportunity and every challenge is a step toward success. In summary, the 7 keys to a positive personality are positive mental diet, positive self-talk, positive visualization, positive people, positive mental food, positive training and development, positive health habits, and positive expectations. By applying these keys, you can transform your personality, achieve your goals, and create a life filled with happiness, success, and fulfillment. Remember, the journey to a positive personality begins with a single decision, the decision to take charge of your mind and your life. Start today and watch how your world changes for the